This is the last circle video. Now we know that the formula for the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. I'm going to turn that around and write it as pi r squared equals a. I'm going to divide by pi to give me r squared equals a over pi. And the last thing we have to do is to get rid of the square. Now we do that by taking the square root. So r then equals the square root of the area divided by pi. And that is how we find the radius from the area. So our first example, we've got a circle with an area of 314 meters squared and we want to work out the diameter. Well, if we're given the area, the only thing that we can do is divide by pi and take the square root. That allows us to work out the radius. So 314 divided by pi and square rooted, and that gives us the answer 10. Now how do we get the diameter? Well, the diameter is 2 times the radius. So 2 times 10 then equals 20 meters. So example 2, we've got a circle with an area of 10 centimeters squared and we want to work out the circumference. Well, the only thing that we can do if we have the area is work out the radius. So divide by pi and then take the square root. And that gives us a value 1.784 centimeters. Now the circumference, remember the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r. So it's 2 pi times 1.784, and that equals 11.2 centimeters. So the area of the semicircle is 75 centimeters squared. If we multiply that by 2, we get 150 centimeters squared, which is the area of the full circle. What we can now do is use the formula square root of a over pi, so 150 divided by pi and square rooted. That gives us 6.9 centimeters. So here is the centre of the semicircle. That means that this distance here, which is the radius of the semicircle, is 6.9 centimeters. Now, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but we only have a semicircle, so I'm going to divide that by 2, and that gives me pi r. That's pi times 6.9, which is 21.7 centimeters. Now that is this distance here, all the way round the curved part to this point here. So that's 21.7. If I want to work out the perimeter of the shape, it's that curved part, 21.7, plus a 6.9, plus another 6.9. And that gives me 35.5